What is up, guys? I know it's been a very long time since I've posted a video, tutorial video of anything, but today I'm going to show you how I make my muscle shirts. This is just the torso, just the chest and abs, no shoulders, no arms. Super simple, just hot glue and upholstery foam. And basically what you do is you've got your patterns cut all out of 1/2 inch upholstery foam, and all you can do is just feather the edges. That's all you gotta do. Then you take your hot glue, we're gonna run around the edges and place it on the shirt. This is a large size shirt. On a mannequin, it's actually about a size small. You don't actually have to have the correct size mannequin as long as the center line of the shirt is on the center part of the mannequin. You'll be good. Just bunch up the shirt in the back so it's tight in the front, and we're good to go. And like I said, we're just going to place hot glue around the edges of the foam. You want to make sure that you're using high temp hot glue, because low temp will come undone. You're just going to line it up. And push it into place. You want to make sure you put quite a bit of pressure on it, so that way you ensure the glue soaks into the shirt and into the foam for a good bond. Then we'll go ahead and do the other side. Make sure not to touch the hot glue because it is hot and it can burn you. And once you push it on there, it sticks pretty much instantly and is very difficult to reposition. So you want to be really certain of where you're placing it. I like to leave a little gap right here, so that way it's just easier for, it allows a little bit more movement. I know this stuff is soft and it does fold anyway, but this little gap right there, it just allows, if you need to move your arms inward, just a little bit of extra room right there. And all these muscles just fit together like a puzzle piece. So there really is no need to mark out your muscles on the shirt. You can if you want, but you really don't need to. And I like to basically work from the top down, working one side and then immediately the other, so that way you keep your stuff symmetrical and even. Because the last thing you want is crooked muscles. It's always good to label your muscles, what they are, so that way they can actually go in the correct spot. A good thing about working with the high temp hot glue is you do have just a little bit longer of a working time than you do with low temp. But you should still be just as quick as you can on getting the muscles on the shirt. And this shirt isn't anything special. It's not a stretched fabric. It's just a normal jersey t-shirt. Now, if you didn't want to use hot glue for your muscles, there is an alternative way to build a muscle suit, and I do have another video on that I made a couple of years ago. It's a little bit more time consuming, in my opinion, although it does yield better results as far as smoothness goes, because you don't actually shape each individual muscle. You'll cut it out all with straight cuts, and then you'll glue the edges down to where it kind of rolls onto the shirt, and it's just a nice smooth look to it. And you don't have to use 1/2" foam for this. You can actually use 1/4" or 1" foam. I've found that 1/2" is just kind of that happy medium to where it's not too bulky and not too thin. To me, it's just right. Now, if you're going for something like, say, the Bat Metal type muscle suit, you might want to use 1" or even 2", or since his chest is huge, you might want to use 2" for the chest and 1" for everything else. This bottom muscle, you can cut it into 2 different muscles and keep the line going down the middle if you want. I like to keep it all one piece, just part of the muscle design. can see I missed a little spot. The heat glue actually kind of dried out on me. So we just have to add a little bit more. A little more on the edge over here. It's just because this muscle is a bit bigger. And I didn't put quite as much glue on this one as I did the chest. So it dried out faster. You can see it was quite a bit thinner. And now for the little rib muscles. Actually, let's try on this side. Just glue these on. Sorry about that, guys. My phone died. Anyway, it's all done now. I just got 2 on each side right here. Hot glue, slap it on there, and it's good to go. If you guys want a video of me showing you how to basically put a shirt on over it, glue down the muscles, comment down below, let me know. I've also got a 3D printer now. If you guys want videos on how I finish up 3D products, helmets, whatnot, guns, just let me know. Drop a comment down below, like, comment, subscribe. You guys have a good one.